Welcome, today we're going to show you how to pay someone using Venmo. So if you want to transfer money or pay someone using the Venmo app, the first thing that you need to do is to open Venmo app as you from here. After that you need to click on the V big button on the middle as you from here. So this button is for pay or request a payment from other people. So you need to click on it. After that from here you will have more than one option to actually send money to other people. The first option is to write his name, username, email, or phone number. Or if the person is actually beside you, you can just scan his QR code from his phone. So you can just tell him to show you his QR code and you can click on this option. And now you can just scan the code I'll see from here. To that, now you can write the amount of money that you want to send him. And from here you can write the reason why you are sending him this money. After that, you can click on pay and it will transfer you to this page. So from here, you can actually change the privacy of this payment. So you can actually make it public or you can make it private to some people. After you have done that, you can click on pay and now you have sent the person the money successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.